In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to bypass the Hi There screen on an Android smartphone. So as you can see, the touchscreen doesn't work. Now the way to do this is to keep tapping the start button until it bypasses. So let's try it. And there you go. So there you go, that is how to bypass the Hi There screen on an Android smartphone with a bad touchscreen. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.